Hello and welcome back to another episode of my turn-based tutorial series. Today we're going to be working in the game HUD again. Just a few things we have to do here. So all of these need to be variables, and I changed these were just sitting in here as an image and a text. There's three of them, but I put them inside of their own boxes. So there's a player box, a P1 box, and a P2 box. Okay, and then I bound all of their visibility. So the P1 stats, I made a binding. So I said, let me just go to that binding and show you what I did. So P1 stats binding, we're gonna do this. Okay. So let me just delete this. So we're going to get our player reference. I made a binding on the visibility. I didn't really show you that. We made a binding on the visibility. Then you're going to get your player reference. You're going to get party member turn. And then if it is equal to 1 or to 2, then we're going to set this visibility to true, and if it's not, then it means we have no party members in our team, so we'll set it to false. Okay, we're going to plug that in like that. Oh wait, we'll get a or boolean, so either or, and we'll plug it in like that. Okay, then we're going to go to our second one here, our P2 stats, and we're going to create another binding, and it's the same thing basically. P2 stats, where is it? Yeah, except it's only going to be equal to 2, so let's just do that. So what I did to get the other one was I duplicated the return node and I just set it to hidden. Then you get a branch, plug it in like such, and then you want your player reference, and you want to get player turn, party member turn, and see if it's equal to 2, because only if it's equal to 2 we'll show this one, because it's our third party member or second party member. Okay, then I'm going to create a binding for this box. I'm going to remove this binding. Let's create a binding. P1 visibility, we're going to duplicate this. We'll set it to hidden. We'll make a branch. And if this, whatever it is true, then we'll return it as visible. Or actually, we don't have to make this. We can delete that. File. We can just bind this to that one. We can go to this box and bind it to the P2 stats that we made. So bind P2 stats visibility. Okay. And then we're going to get this image, and we're going to bind the brush of the image, or we've already got that bound. Let's go to this binding. So get brush 1 is where we need to go. Get brush 1. So over here we need to do a branch, and if this branch returns false, we're going to do that, and if it returns true, we're going to do the same thing, except we're going to have a tint on it, because then it's going to be his turn. So we'll say make slate color, and we'll add like a yellowish tint just so it's nice and visible. We'll set the alpha to 0.6, somewhere around there, and we'll plug in this troop in, and now we need to get our condition, which is going to be get party member turn, and we're going to see if it's equal to 1. If it is equal to 2, then we'll do that. Okay, just let me check I've done something correct. Let's compile that, and I just want to see there, party member turn. Yeah, this we're gonna delete. Sorry, I'm gonna say get party members, because we're not actually looking at their turn, and compile. And then again, you want to get party members, and if it's equal to 2, we'll do that check. Okay, so we want to go back to our get P1 image and just check that I did that all right, wherever that is. That was get brush 1. Okay, so that's all plugged in properly. Then we're going to have to do the same for our other 2 brushes. So same thing, get brush 0. We go to get brush 0 function. I'm going to add a branch, and if it's false, we'll do that. We'll get party member turn, and see if it's equal to 1. If it is equal to 1, then what are we going to do? We're going to copy this, we're going to add a tint, and again we're just going to make it like a yellowy with a 0.6, so it's nice and visible, and plug that into your troop in, and plug this into your player reference. Okay, compile, and we've got one more to do, get P2 image. So we're going to go over to that function, get P2 image, and we're going to do this again. So let's just copy this right off the bat. Let's add a branch and connect it all up. And then we'll add our conditioning after we add this tint. So make slate color, make it yellow, about 0.6, somewhere around there, and then get your condition, get party member turn, and if it's equal to 3, then we'll carry on. Okay, so let's have a look, see if this worked. So if it is our turn, first off, it should be, he should have like a yellow tint on his thing. Yeah, there we go. So we'll attack now, and now it's his turn, so he's got a yellow tint on him, and we'll attack, and his turn. Okay, so that seems to be working great. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and in the next video we're finally going to be looking at picking up new party members and dropping party members. We're going to have to create a sort of inventory system for them. Okay, bye.